Let's go cut some wood. Well, here we are, January 7th, up at Sam's in northern Wisconsin, Rhinelander area. We're gonna do some work this weekend, man work. He's got some trees to cut down. They're in about the same position we are as far as temperature. Their lakes are kind of falling apart too. So we're gonna stay off Winnebago this weekend and come up here and do some work. So he called in for the heavy hitters, me, obviously, Adam, Hussey, Frank, and we got Sam. He's got a bunch of trees he wants to take down so they don't hit the garage if they ever do fall down on their own or in the wind. And we're gonna get to work. Down here in this, there's a big open.
I was thinking about doing it up on the blacktop, but no, that's too far to drag those trees.
Are all these going? These popples here?
One back there we'll do first, and then these three.
Anything that can fall in the garage, kind of thing?
Yeah, one broke off last summer in
really?
a storm right up here. And good thing it went that way, otherwise,
yeah,
it would have been right through laying in the boat. I cut down a lot of them.
I was gonna say, I don't remember this being that open like that.
That was always open down there. You just couldn't see because there was so many trees up here.
Good paper mill here. Good boat. Oh, thanks, Brian. I'll bring the big one down. Oh, you get it.
Yeah, this is, you gotta build an arena here or something, a fight club or something. Everybody's picture people cheering.
Roll these rocks, line them up.
Yeah. Are you not entertained?
Maximus! Light up above the garage.
Yeah. Tonight's main event. Hey guys.
Found a got sandwiches?
Hang on a second.
Is lunch ready? Very manly stuff this weekend. Chainsaws and wood and gas.
That's what we do.
Yeah, you're probably gonna start getting it this way. Grab that
I think it's just gonna. I think it's gonna fall right here.
Yeah, we can just cut the top out of it, and we'll just hook on with the four-wheeler.
Yeah.
We'll just cut one big chunk on the top,
Yeah, and hook onto it.
hook onto the hitch on the four-wheeler, with that rope, and we'll take it down there. That's gonna want to fall like into there.
Yeah. End of January. Oh, we wouldn't be doing this if it was a regular year, probably, huh?
No, the snow would be too deep.
Yeah. I got the shot. That was cool. I was right above the tree. In the face. Get it out of here.
That's great. We're almost like a pond.
Yeah. Almost.
Kick it like Beastie Boys.
That's what we need, some major rock tunes cranking right now.
Radio.
Who needs a radio? Ready, Frank? Yeah, you should get the Milwaukee for down here. That'd be perfect. More than it looks.
For last, that way we can
Yeah.
drink beer while we do that.
Oh yeah,
2 people down here, 1 guy driving the four-wheeler,
yeah,
2 guys up there.
right. I'll drive the four-wheeler.
It's just like when you hook your jumper cables up, you never want to hook the ground.
Less leaves in the old gutters.
That's true. Now she's getting going. Woohoo! You want all these sticks picked up?
Well, anything, you know,
Like this or?
bigger than this.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Probably get this all today if we wanted to.
What, do you?
Like all this.
Yeah, all the way to the road? Yeah.
Then you can mow this, have nice lawn.
Oh yeah, more lawn. More lawn, that's what I want.
There we go. Now she's freaking going. Now she's catching on. She's got the idea now. The fire. Oh, you want me to burn big? Okay. Oh.
The old
Yeah. Thought he was gonna survive the clear cutting, but he came down. He was just getting established too, like this is my area. His dominance. Yeah.
Dominant.
And then Sam said, nope, you gotta go too.
You gotta go.
Smells like a turd covered in burnt hair. Smells like Bigfoot.
You ever listen to Theo Vaughn at all?
Yes.
Oh, he's
It is funny. All day.
It hurts to do that because I hate seeing a crooked wood.
I love it all nice and neat.
Yeah. Like, it just drives me nuts.
Sneezing
I
at
wouldn't be
the...
able to sleep at night.
I could be out here all day. People be driving by, oh my god, look at that.
What is that guy, retarded?
That one went fast.
Like butter.
I'll get some gas in this one and then drop this bitch.
He likes a lot of work. Yeah, there's some major coals in there. The marshmallows are gonna be perfect tonight.
And weenies.
Hot dog. Oh, that was a good throw, Brian. Nice throw, you almost got it on the fire. Snack time. Doritos. Me and Hussey might have had a couple Doritos last night before bed.
Yeah, we did. Oh, leg. Damn it.
He looks at me, he's like, I think I'm gonna go get some of them Doritos. And I said, I'd eat some if you brought them down here.
Yeah, I think he came and got 3 or 4 pickup loads already.
Oh, you're giving this? Somebody's taking it? Oh, I thought you were.
I got oak.
Do you burn in the house?
No.
I think you should switch to a wood burning heater so that when you retire, you have something to do.
Yeah, and then watch it rot out in 10 years.
She's been here the whole time, Adam. Yeah, it's starting to look different now.
Topsoil, level this all out.
I would, when you mow, Sam, I would do the stripes like this. Yeah. Or you could make a field here.
And then he said he was
There's a people could sit here and watch the game.
in a miniature golf course.
Yeah.
It'll be challenging through the rock. It'll be a
Yeah.
minefield.
Yeah. This is one time we cut a tree down and almost hit the saw. Remember that time? Get out of there.
Yeah, get out of there!
Get. Go on, get.
And then a couple of little ones you were gonna do?
Whatever we wanted.
That
Yeah,
one
that
right
birch
there.
tree.
The birch
No,
tree.
that birch is staying.
No.
Yeah.
The little one right on the
I'll
end.
talk to my friends.
Here you go.
Go cut that one down.
Well, you gotta clear the one way on the end.
Yeah, well, he's cutting. Go cut, Sam.
Well, I don't know. Would you rather
We got other
20 bucks?
saws.
That one holds the garbage can.
Oh, really? He's sitting right there.
Fits the handle, fits right in there and locks it right there nice.
Until I
But it
get
bothers
my
you?
car.
Right.
Well, then you're a driver.
Which car are you getting? Are you getting the 6-wheeled Suburban or are you getting that 6-wheel?
Yeah, you know Lucy's gonna hit that one of these days. She's gonna be on the phone. Yeah, I'm on my way.
No, it was an F450 6-door, right?
6-door ones.
Yeah.
I've seen them.
F450
Yeah.
6-door. That's what she had picked out. Serious.
With an 8-foot bed?
What was the other one? A little Suzuki with like huge 35
Oh, sure.
tires.
Subaru. Don't lose a single stick. Sam, if you don't mind, I'd like to take one of these home, you know? It's kind of a nice decoration I put in the living room. I think Tara would like this for a nice lamp holder. If you don't mind, I'm going to take a couple of these home. Thank you.
We could have made a video there.
Yeah, maybe I did.
But you were in and there.
I'm gonna take the next ride down.
Are you?
Yeah. I think I can sit right in there, kneel in there, and ride her right down. This is gonna be fun. That makes sense. I think if I just sit like this. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. Now I gotta walk back up. I'm not down here in the loading crew. Low life's down here. I'm not gonna stay down there in the loading crew.
Yeah, we're the unloading crew, right?
That was kind of fun. It was a nice little ride. Got worried when I was going to that tree.
I'll go next time.
Yeah, you should take a ride. Yeah. We're gonna take a break. I know you don't believe in them. You know, your guys in the shop would be more productive if you gave them a break once in a while.
Yeah, you mean bastard.
I could just see him standing up on that catwalk. All right, everybody, pick it up.
The intercom. I don't even get out there.
This is your attention. This is Adam speaking. Notice a lot of slacking on the floor today. He wants that rock up there too.
That one?
Yeah.
I think it'll...
He said he wants it by the driveway for decoration.
Oh, I think he means that.
Oh, that's the one.
Yeah.
If we can get a rope on it, I think we could roll it. It's not even noon.
It was barely going when I was down here.
We'll think of something. Just climb it like a kid.
Frank's here. He could get up there like a little monkey.
You telling me you
Remember that
can't
one time?
climb a tree anymore like a little kid?
Remember that one time at like 1 in the morning, Frank? 1:30?
The story's
You were
never
there.
gonna end.
Huh. What happened?
Brian was there.
Somebody, so you go up the stairs of the
Oh.
cabin. We got long strings with some antlers to turn on the ceiling fan or the lights. Well, somebody pulled it off one time. So this is a couple years ago. All of a sudden, we're out drinking. It's 1 in the morning. I don't even know. All of a sudden, Frank's like, "Let's fix that." So he climbs up there. He's on top of my railing. We're stabilizing his feet or his shoes or something. He just reaches over like the little hooks, the little
On the chain.
the chain hooks. He just goes, I don't know how the f did it, doop,
I
and
think
then
it was one hand even.
in one hand, with one hand.
You were like Jean-Claude Van Damme.
Yeah,
You
he
had perfect
was right
split
off.
spin the railing.
He went, click, and then he's like, I gotta go. Open the door. I'm like, I looked at Brian. I'm like, that just fucking happened. I'm like,
We've been
"That
trying to fix that for years.
20 years that's been like
ain't
that.
20 years.
We could never change the fan from winter to summer.
Frank does it in fucking 30 seconds.
Totally gonna take Husky out if I kept going.
Yeah, you would. Laying them down like cordwood. You know what they should do is put little windshield wipers on there. A little battery pack on the side. You get that one?
You know what you do? Shut the hell up, Brian.
That's it over.
Not quite.
Getting that put in.
This is it right here.
More load.
Got her. Got her. One way or another, it's going up. That's the one. That's the one. Yep. It was right there the whole time. Haul that all over there.
Oh, that was my spot.
I wonder how many times he's gonna throw it there. He's got her. Aw, right down the hill. There. Now we can all sit on it with chainsaws for the picture.
Put those naked beavers on there.
I'll put a couple feet.
You want to drag those beavers back to there? Do that.
I have. Oh,
And all the feet and the tails in there too. Yes.
that's mine.
Can we eat the tails?
You can.
It's getting good.
I don't know, just up on the blacktop.
I like Frank's idea there. That's a good one.
Just ram them in somewhere.
Oh, that actually.
One saw really did all right.
Yeah.
What's that, Adam?
Only one saw really did most of the work.
Just a head sticking up in the back.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.